In my last few videos, I talked a lot about how to hire a team for your Faceless YouTube channels, but in this video, I want to talk about how to actually find different ideas. There are tons of channels out there that are telling you that X is the best channel to create, this is the best niche, but let me show you how you can do the research for yourself. So make sure you watch this entire video. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for your free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who's helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so one of the questions that I had from a person that I was mentoring with just yesterday, in fact, was how do you know if you should create this type of content? There are tons of videos on the internet, on YouTube, that are telling you different cash cow or faceless YouTube channel ideas, but how do you find one for yourself? And so let's go ahead and jump right into that. The first thing you want to do is you want to go in and open up an incognito window. Now, the reason why you want to open up an incognito window is so that the search results are based on YouTube's recommendation and not what YouTube thinks they want you to see. And so what you can do here is simply just look at what shows up on the main page. This is going to give you an idea of things that are popular in the entire realm of YouTube. You can see millions of views, there's lives going on, there's just lots of opportunity. But what you want to do is simply start with an idea, start with a top level topic. So we could say something like, we could talk about wealth, okay? And that's, as you know, that's a general high level term. Hit enter, and you're going to get a variety of information. And what I recommend that you do if you're looking for different YouTube channel ideas is to open up these different channels for even more ideas, because ultimately what you're going to want to do is not just talk about wealth. Wealth is going to be too competitive. As you can see here, there are hundreds of thousands of views, lots of competition. It's going to be difficult for you to potentially rank for some of these because there's just millions of subscribers. But what you can do is simply open up these channels and you're going to take a look at things that might be of interest to you. For example, we're going to open up videos and you can see that they're creating all sorts of content about everything from Elizabeth Holmes all the way to the truth about TikTok. So these are going to help jog your memory. This is going to help you get some ideas for you to start potentially creating content. So the first thing that you want to do is type in a top level niche idea and then look at the channels that are ranking. You want to open up those channels and then look and see the types of content that they're ranking. The next step is to find a video that you potentially want to create. Open this up like this, and we're just going to pause this. And then you have a few options. One, you can copy the title of the video and paste it in like that and hit enter. Or another option is to take a look at the suggested videos on the side here. And what you're looking for is, once again, you're going to open up the different channels for even more ideas and inspiration, because in most instances, the videos that show up on the right hand side here are going to be related in some way to this video here. So what we can do is we can open up, let's open up this one right here, and then we start the process all over again. But if we just hit enter, for example, if we're interested in creating content about Pablo Escobar, we can hit enter here. And once again, we can see that there are tons of channels that are creating content about Pablo Escobar. Now, another thing that you can do is you can go by keywords, where you could, for example, you could say, how much does TikTok pay, for example? If you want to create content about TikTok, you are simply going to take a look at all of the videos that rank for this, and then you're simply just going to repeat the process. Now, before you just run off and start creating a YouTube channel, what I recommend is to get a list of about 30 ideas that you're going to create. That would take care of about the first month of content. In addition, also think about how you're going to monetize your channel. Now, most people solely rely on the YouTube Partner Program, but in reality, there are other ways, potentially better ways, to monetize your channel. If you can't think of 3 ways to monetize your channel, I recommend that you move on to the next idea. Simply, you want to make sure that you have 3 revenue streams. For example, if we take a look at this Breaking Bad one here, can we come up with 3 ways to monetize this channel? Because what if, for whatever reason, there's a copyright claim or a copyright strike on your video, you can't make money from this video. However, if you have additional revenue streams, maybe a partnership of some sort, brand deals, affiliate marketing, if you can't come up with 3 ways to monetize your videos, then I recommend that you move on. If we look at Practical Wisdom, for example, we click on their videos. This is an opportunity because they're in the wealth niche. There are different ways that you could potentially monetize this channel, including, as I mentioned, brand deals, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, maybe even selling your own digital product. Now, the cool thing about selling your own digital product is you can actually go over to a website like a PLR, private label rights website, and you can buy done for you products that you can then repurpose and sell so that you can make the most amount of money. But in my opinion, at least 3 revenue streams should be attached to your YouTube channel in the event something bad happens and you are demonetized. But in general, what you can do is start with a high-level keyword. For example, we'll do like basket weaving. And one thing that you want to make sure that you're looking for, basket weaving, is you want to make sure that there is demand for the channel. You want to see that there are videos that are getting hundreds of thousands of views and millions of views, so that lets you know that there's an opportunity. If the most viewed video when you typed in basket weaving was only like 30,000 views, I would stay away from it. I would look for hundreds of thousands of views. You may think like that's too competitive, but you give yourself the opportunity to be ranked both in search and in suggested. And so basically what you're going to do, once again, is you're just going to type in your niche or a niche idea or even a keyword within your niche, a glossary word within your niche. For example, we could type in SSL, hit enter, and 1.7 million views. That lets us know that there is an opportunity or potential opportunity. And then we can open up this video once again and then take a look and see the other videos that they're ranking for. So that's how I would go about finding different niche ideas. First, jump over to YouTube, make sure that you are in the incognito mode, type in a keyword or a keyword phrase from your niche. Just do a little bit of hunting and gathering based on the YouTube channels that pop up. If the videos have at least 100,000 views within the last year, 2 years max, that can be a good niche to get into. If it has less than 100,000 views and that's the top ranking video, I would potentially stay away from it. And then the final thing is you want to make sure that you have a few different ways to monetize it in the event you do not qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. Now that you know how to go about finding a niche for your Faceless YouTube channel, click the first link in the description for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.